My name's Lloyd. I work for a company, RWO Heating, down in Brighton. We're a family-run company where 4 out of 5 members of staff are actually part of the family. I've been an On Tap Ambassador now for about a year, I suppose, about last summer. Yeah, loving it. My favourite product is the Sonique. I love the way you can just adjust the centres and it's so adaptable and versatile. I keep it as my stock shower in my van. Just love it. My best plumbing joke, what do you call someone dancing at the end of a bath? A tap dancer. For me, probably in a mortuary. There was lots of boxes around me. It was strange. I wasn't quite sure if there was things in it or not. It was strange, but yeah. My top tip for plumbing is learn every day and don't ever be afraid to ask questions, which is where the On Tap group's really good. Put questions out on Facebook and there's probably hundreds and hundreds of years experience on that page. So everybody always helps each other out. So always ask questions and don't be afraid to ask if you're stuck. For me, the challenge is a lot of my work is jobbing from job to job each day. So the challenges for me is getting in places really, especially tenanted places, trying to arrange times and working the schedule so you can work through the towns as opposed to going one end of town to the other. That's mostly the biggest challenge for me, is getting at the right time really. Just learn every day, try and learn as much as you can and ask as many questions as you can and just keep learning because there's always something new to learn. Probably for me is help yourself to biscuits. Before I know it, I've done 2 packs and I've got no biscuits left. But yeah, that's for me. For me, I go into the office in the morning at about 7:45, pick up my jobs, and then I'll do my jobs, blitz around, do my jobs go, and then we try and keep the afternoon free for emergencies like boiler breakdowns and leaks through ceilings and things like that really. We try and keep the afternoon pretty free. So. Funniest customer story was, I once went in on a job with keys after the letting agency had given me keys and told me they'd cleared it with the tenant, but the tenant actually came back halfway through the job and called the police, and the police knocked down the door, come running in towards me. I've never jumped up so much in all my life. I thought about running, but they would have just caught me up. Working with family, because as I say, we're a family-run company, so every day I get to see my family, and every day is different. And I meet new people all the time. Some good, some bad, but it's always a story to tell every day.